Welcome to our tutorial on drawing a mandala in Infinite Painter. Setting up the canvas. Let's start by creating a new canvas. Go ahead and open Infinite Painter. Choose a square canvas with dimension and pixel. Set the background color to white to provide a clean backdrop of our design. Drawing the central circle. Using circle tool, place the circle at as you like in your canvas and draw a large circle. This circle will serve as a foundation of our mandala. Step 3. Dividing the circle. Now divide the circle into the equal section. Using the line tools, draw a straight line radiating from the center of the edges, dividing the circle into 14 equal parts. Creating the basic. With the basic structure defined, begin adding geometric shape and intricate line around the central circle. This will serve as guide for our mandala's pattern and design. Adding pattern and details. Select a brush of pattern of your choice. Fill each section with symmetrical design, ensuring each quadrant mirror of other for a balanced look. Adjusting color and shading. Experiment with color and shading the technique to give your mandala depth and vibrancy. Use the color picker to select color and apply gradient or shading where needed. Final touch and details. Add final touches such as highlighting or small details to enhance the overall design. Pay attention to the symmetry and ensure the mandalas feel cohesive. Exporting your mandala. Once you are satisfied with your artwork, it's time to save or export it. You can save it as PNG, JPEG to share online or use in your project. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on drawing a mandala in Infinite Painter. I hope you enjoyed creating your own mandala artwork. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more art tutorial. Happy creating!